In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an index in Microsoft Access. An index is a simple but powerful way to make your database feel faster and more reliable. Think of it like the index at the back of a book. Instead of flipping through every page to find a term, you jump straight to the right spot. In Access, that means quicker searches, faster sorting, and when you want it, automatic prevention of duplicate values. Here's how to set it up using the most straightforward approach: Design View. Start by opening your database and looking to the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. Find the table you want to work with, then right-click it. From the menu that appears, select Design View. This view shows your table's structure, with each field listed along with its data type. Click to select the field you want to index. Common choices include an ID field or a name field that you use frequently in searches or sorting. With that field selected, look to the bottom part of the window called Field Properties. This area controls how the selected field behaves. Locate the property labeled Indexed. Next, choose the indexing option that fits your needs. If you pick Yes, duplicates okay, Access will create an index, but allow repeated values in that field. That's useful for something like a last name field, where many records might share the same value. If you pick Yes, no duplicates, Access creates a unique index, which prevents the same value from appearing more than once. That's ideal for fields like a customer ID or any code that must be unique. If your table already contains duplicate values and you choose no duplicates, Access will alert you so you can resolve those conflicts before the change takes effect. When you're done, press Ctrl+S to save your changes. That's it. Your index is now active. From this point forward, searches, sorts, and filters that use that field will generally run faster. Behind the scenes, Access maintains the index so it can jump straight to matching records instead of scanning the entire table. Use indexes when you search often by a specific field, when you regularly sort or filter on that field, or when you need to enforce uniqueness to prevent duplicate entries. Just remember that indexes are most helpful on fields you truly use often. With this quick setup, you've made your database more efficient and more consistent, all with a few clicks in Design View.